Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? Do you want to earn more views, more subscribers, more watch time, and of course, make more money? Well, it might be time for you to upgrade to TubeBuddy Pro. Sadly, while a lot of people start YouTube channels, many never reach the success that they dream of. Why? Well, there's so much you want to do on your YouTube channel, but it's very easy to get bogged down in details and not focus on the important parts, making great videos that people want to watch. You might already know about the free version of TubeBuddy. It's packed with more than 30 free tools to make it easier for you to navigate and grow your YouTube channel. But today, I'm talking about TubeBuddy Pro, an upgraded version that includes unlimited access to our mobile app and other great features that help you use our tools so you can take your YouTube channel to the next level. Now you might be wondering, but Andrew, how is an upgraded TubeBuddy license gonna get me more views on YouTube? In order to get more views, you need to understand what factors the YouTube algorithm takes into account when promoting your videos. Things like impressions click-through rate. Let's break that down. To get a good impressions click-through rate, also known as CTR, you'll not only need a highly clickable thumbnail, but you need a good title based around a strong keyword topic as well. On YouTube, it's the topic of the video that interests the viewer to get that first click, and those clicks turn into views. We help you find out whether people are looking for a certain keyword topic, so you don't make a video that no one is searching for, and then don't get any views. With TubeBuddy Pro, you can really dive deep into those keyword-driven topics and titles, and find more ways for you to earn more views. Getting views through search is great, and with keyword research, you can expand your audience. Then, if your video delivers on what people are searching for and looks and sounds great, people are more likely to watch your video longer. TubeBuddy Pro can also help you with the creation process. Maybe you need help with music or getting good graphic overlays. We've got your back. TubeBuddy Pro gives you access to our member perks program with benefits like unlimited royalty-free music tracks from Audio Hero. And to improve your graphics, we've given you free access to Nick Nimmin's Tuber Tools package. Speaking of Nick Nimmin, he's one of the fastest growing YouTube help channels, and he also uses TubeBuddy. Here's what Nick had to say about TubeBuddy and how it's been able to help him grow on YouTube.
TubeBuddy is already helping thousands of creators grow their YouTube channels. They helped me grow my channel to over 430,000 subscribers, and they can help you too.
We here at TubeBuddy have been able to grow our channel to over 400,000 subscribers using these tools to help not only ourselves, but other creators to help them save time and create better content. As you just heard from me and some of our other TubeBuddy users, TubeBuddy can help you a lot on YouTube. Besides the keyword research options, there are more benefits to TubeBuddy Pro. With TubeBuddy Pro, you can make end screen and card templates, which can quickly and repeatedly refer people to your most popular videos that drive the most subscribers. Templates are just one great way to save time, and with canned responses, you can save even more. Canned responses give you the choice of offering a variety of quick but appreciative responses to your viewers and can help you be more personable and relatable. You can even share your success with our TubeBuddy Milestone custom background templates with TubeBuddy Pro. Just another great way to connect with your current and potential viewers. With TubeBuddy Pro, you can have more tools in your creative arsenal to help you grow on YouTube. So if you're ready to up your creative arsenal of tools, then click on that button there to upgrade to TubeBuddy Pro. With TubeBuddy Pro, you'll be able to find more searchable topics that you can make clickable, helping you get more views, thus driving watch time and earning new subscribers. If you're on the go, you'll be able to keep track of your ideas and successes with the fully unlocked TubeBuddy mobile app with TubeBuddy Pro. Click the link now to learn and earn more views.